When visiting Kansas City, some things may surprise you. Hi, I'm Gina Walton with the Walton Home Team of Keller Williams, and in helping people move to Kansas City for over 15 years, here's a top 10 things that might catch you by surprise, whether visiting here or deciding to move here. Kansas City is divided between Kansas and Missouri, so it may surprise you to know that the top things which come to mind are actually in Missouri. Chiefs, Royals, Country Club Plaza, Power and Light District, Jazz District, yep, those are all in Missouri. Number 2, Kansas City has some beautiful fountains. It may surprise you that there are actually more fountains here in Kansas City than there are in Italy. If you're interested to learn more about World War I, then surprise! Kansas City has the only national memorial, and it includes an exceptional exhibit and displays, as well as the Liberty Memorial Tower for an incredible view of Kansas City. Number 4, downtown parking can always be a challenge, but surprise! The Country Club Plaza has free parking and parking garages. Yes, it's free! Number 5, no question, Kansas City barbecue is a must try. Now, if you go there right at noon or right around the dinner hour, you may be surprised to have to wait in a long line. So just consider going before or after each of those times so you don't have to wait so long, or just add it in your schedule for a little bit of downtime as you wait for some of the best barbecue around. Number 6, Kansas City's airport does not have a taxi line. To minimize surprises, allow for time with your taxi or Uber driver to pick you up from their waiting area, which is typically a 5 to 10 minute wait. The new airport is under construction, so we may see this change. Number 7, debating whether to visit Union Station? Well, with Science City, the IMAX, visiting exhibits, restaurants, and a rich history to take in, you might be surprised to see how much more it is than just catching the next train. Number 8, Kansas City is spread out, so if planning to use public transportation, you will be surprised to find that there isn't a great option. Renting a car or budgeting multiple $5 to $7 Uber rides will probably be beneficial. Number 8, thinking of making a move. It may surprise you that Kansas City's average home price is in the low 300,000s, making Kansas City an incredibly affordable plus wonderful experience and a place to live. And number 10, you may be surprised just how friendly and engaged people are in conversation. Kansas City is overall very friendly and takes pride in their city. Even the fountains and some of the buildings have lights supporting their local Chiefs and Royals and sporting teams in special seasons throughout the year. Now just ask someone about their favorite Kansas City barbecue or favorite Kansas City sports team and you will for sure be in a conversation. Looking to visit or make a move to Kansas City? Comment below or feel free to text for more information.